buutan kay diri na citizens kabisdak. Look. She's picking the garbages na pumunta sa sea. Pinulot niya yung mga basura galing sa dagat. Oh, ang galing yan. Kalubaton ako. Princess. So, concerned citizen sa atong nature, no? Vitamin C! Palakpakan yan. We have breadfruit, mani, peanut. Yeah, peanut. Peanut. And fish. And dogs. And person. Handsome. Ano na nangyari sa inyong dalawa dyan? Hello there. Hello there, we go. So, hindi namin isama tong isang dog kaso tumakbo siya. At sinundan yung tricycle namin doon. Look. And this one is a naughty dog eating a sand. And his name is Taffy. Hi! There's a naughty. And the sun and the weather is good. And the sea is clear. And the kids enjoyed it. It's a very good summer here, weekend. They're playing. The dogs are playing here. Okay. What can you say, Wigo? What can you say, Mommy? See? Oh! Oh! You're crying? Cry siya kasi iniwan namin, no? Sa bahay. Kasi tumakbo siya at hinabol kami. So,